Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add text to speech in Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, brand kit, templates, and here you're going to find your folders. In the center of the page, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you're going to find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the uh, tools that you would need in order to customize your video. So right now, I'm going to click on import media. Firstly, to add a video. For example, I'm going to add this one. And then in order to add the video to the timeline, just go ahead and click on the plus icon, or you can just drag the video directly like this. So basically, guys, right now we're going to add the text to speech. So in order to be able to do that, go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find your media, and under it, you're going to find record and create. Go ahead and click on it. Then here you're going to find the option to record your screen and camera, your camera, screen, audio, and here you can create text to speech. So we're going to click on text to speech. And then as you can see, guys, this menu will pop up. So firstly, you need to choose your language, then choose which voice you want to use. And then you can type anything that you want. For example, I'm going to type hello everyone and then click on save. Once you do that, you can click on preview to play the text to speech. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.